What's going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Nick Foy, and I've got one goal in 2021, and that's to achieve 10,000 subscribers. So if you could help me out today, just hit that red subscribe button. This is literally the only thing I care about this year. Even though I have rental properties and other businesses, I'm really just trying to focus on growing the YouTube channel this year. So thanks so much for being here, and let's go ahead and dive into today's content I've got for you, and I hope you can find value in it and stick around for future videos. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the things going on in the economy right now with housing prices. So a new report just came out today that said the May 2021 futures for lumber has skyrocketed up to $1,212 per thousand board feet. So what this means is lumber prices are still going up crazy high. They had a big surge last year from July to September, going up 70-80%. Then they had a couple months of decline in October, November, and then from November on they started skyrocketing again. So with lumber prices going up to these very, very high prices, it's made building houses become even more expensive. So with building houses, that's slowed down new construction, which has then slowed down supply of new houses coming onto the market. So we're continuing to see this crazy low inventory environment right now in the housing market, where if you try to buy a house right now, it is super competitive. There are so many people out there trying to move, trying to buy houses. It's getting to that time again where it's the spring and summer craze where things really heat up. We've already had this going on all winter. Normally things slow down in the winter time. But this winter, it's just stayed, the same steady pace of people trying to buy and housing prices continuing to push higher because there's just such a shortage of housing in the market right now across the board. So with that being said, lumber prices going up further. This is not helping things as far as trying to be able to buy affordable housing for most people. But if you're an investor and you're owning rental properties and you own different real estate holdings, then you're seeing the value of your property going up. So this is one of the key benefits we preach here on the channel about being a real estate investor and why I make so many videos on real estate investing, because right now is kind of the golden time for being a real estate investor, holding on to properties that are gaining value year over year at 10%, 15% returns. So let's just, for example, a $300,000 building that I have in the last year has probably gone up 10%. So I've made about $30,000 in the last year on this $300,000 multi-use building that we own. So that's just an insane amount of money in 1 year. 10% in my market usually does 4 to 5%. But because of inventory being so low, housing prices and things are getting pushed up. And with this report about lumber prices coming out, it's saying that the average new construction home is getting more expensive to the tune of $28,000. So it's going to cost $28,000 more to build this house now, whatever size house they were using in their projections. I don't remember the square footage, but a year ago you could have built it for $28,000 cheaper. So just year over year, that kind of crazy price increase that home builders are having to tack on to the price of the build for people trying to build houses is just making it more expensive to even build. So what we were seeing last year was build prices were pretty competitive with buying pre-existing homes. And so a lot of people were like, hey, it makes sense to go build houses now, and we can go get brand new construction for not much more than what we're paying to buy pre-existing older homes. But in this case, with wood going up like crazy, this is pushing new construction higher, and this is also giving a tailwind to pre-existing homes as well, because when new construction goes up in price, pre-existing homes tend to follow as well. So overall, just a quick update that lumber prices are still going up. We saw May futures for this upcoming month are skyrocketing, and this is making it expensive to build houses, which is hurting supply. And this is also, keeping inventory out of the market, which is much needed right now because of the buyer demand that just won't let up. So housing prices continue to go up, and it looks like for the time being, these next several months here, we've got continued price appreciation, which is a good thing for real estate investors like house flippers who are working on projects right now that they're getting ready to sell in the coming months. They're going to see the value of those properties continue to go up as they're working on them and fixing them up. And rental property, long-term investors, you're getting the benefit of your rentals being worth more now. But again, if you're a long-term buy and hold, it's not really impacting you right now, other than helping to maybe push rents up a little bit higher, because landlords are going to start raising rents here with inflation, because people are going to see that housing's not as affordable anymore, so they're going to start trying to rent again, and then that's going to bring demand over to the rental side of things. And when a bunch of demand comes to the rent side, then landlords can start bumping rents. So that's kind of a pressure release valve. When housing prices start to get too high, we start to see a spike then in rental prices. So either way, if you buy and hold your real estate, you're going to get the benefit of the price of the property going up, and then rents are going to keep going up over time as well. So right now things are looking good. I'm excited with my real estate portfolio, which makes up about 60 to 65% of my total holdings. I've also got the rest of my money invested in Bitcoin, some other cryptocurrencies, and then stocks to round out the portfolio. If you want to learn more, you can check out my course on real estate investing. Just check out the links below this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Since you made it to the end of today's video, I want to share with you an amazing resource library I've been putting together, and this is truly going to be one of the best resource libraries out there. Not saying that lightly. I'm putting videos in this library every single month. There's already 50 plus videos in here, and it's going to grow to a couple hundred plus videos. So just hours and hours and hours of content in here, teaching you everything you need to know about real estate investing. So there's real estate lectures. I'll occasionally do some live streams as well, and I'll upload those in here. Got plenty of PDF downloadable resources, worksheets. We're going to have Excel sheets in here, like analyzing real estate deals, so you can use these different Excel sheets. So huge resource library full of training videos. You're going to learn everything you need to know about buying rental properties, flipping houses, financing strategies, where to find these deals, how to market for deals, that sort of thing. But I do have a couple other courses that are mini courses. They're not really mini. They're still full of, tons of videos. So this one, for example, is my rental property investing made simple course. And then I've got these flipping houses made simple. So if you want to learn rental property investing, you can enroll in just the rental property investing course. Again, there's going to be, 30, 40, 50 plus videos, and it's going to grow over time, covering everything you need to know about rental properties. And then same thing with the flipping houses course, just, 30, 40, 50 different videos, hours and hours of content to learn how to flip houses. I've been doing both these strategies for over 7 years now. I own, multiple rental properties. I've had, thousands of dollars in flipping profits, in the six figures. So these are tips and experiences, live walkthroughs of houses that I'm, buying and renovating. I show you through one of my most recent flips that I did. So check those courses out, or check out the master course, the Real Estate Investing School. This is going to have, even a larger selection of content to go through, teaching you all kinds of different strategies like Airbnb, land development, new construction, in addition to renting and fixing up houses. So all you got to do is go to asknickfoy.teachable.com. So let's go out here to my homepage just to show you what it looks like, asknickfoy.teachable.com, and I'll link to it below in this YouTube video as well for you. But you can see the 3 different courses there that I've got, and then I've got some other ones you can check out, but these are the 3 main ones right now I've got students enrolling in. So Real Estate Investing School, rental property investing, and flipping houses. So you can check them out. Again, I've got lifetime access memberships for a one-time fee, or you can pay, I think, on the Real Estate Investing School, a monthly subscription, but once you cancel your subscription, you'll lose your access. So I recommend just do the one-time fee, get it over with. It's going to be worth it. You're going to get your money back because you're going to be learning things that's going to help you make a lot of money through real estate investing down the road. So it's worth investing in the education in the meantime. So you can check out current pricing plans. Now they are going to change over time because I'm adding more content. We're growing, we're scaling. So if you notice that the price has gone up, that is why we are going to be, upping the price from time to time. But for right now, you can kind of get the early bird special pricing. So thanks so much for watching. And if you want free content, you don't have to pay for this. You can just watch videos that I make for my YouTube channel. But if you want all these resources in one resource library location to browse through, then I recommend checking out Real Estate Investing School by Nick Foy at asknickfoy.teachable.com.